Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Luvme Hair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As well, hit that notification bell, sis, because I post weekly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, sis, so again, I received this unit from Luvme Hair and it came in this box right here. So getting into this box, y'all, here comes the hair. And then we also have a bag with their logo as well. And then just opening up the little bag comes a scarf, some tweezers, and a little elastic band, some clips, and a edge control brush. And as well, we have a wig cap, and then it's a card here at the bottom with some hair care instructions. And yeah, so that's what came inside. So let's go ahead and get into the unit. And y'all, this is the unit. This is about to be the most easiest install. This is about to be the most easiest install ever. Like, I cannot wait. So as you can see, we have some bangs right here, and then it's just giving a short bob. The hair feels really soft, you guys, and it feels full as well too. Like, it feels like a good amount of hair on it. Again, I want to just say it's just called a bang short bob, but I'll have the exact verbiage of what this unit is called once we jump further into the video. But let me show you the construction of the cap. So in the inside, the cap has two combs, one on either side. It as well has an elastic band that is not adjustable, so you cannot take it off. It as well, girl, I have to look at it myself. It has a comb in the middle and a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So that's what we're looking like in the inside, sis. Again, oh girl, let me show you what the middle of the head looks like. So it is closed off. It goes in like a circular motion. And yeah, girl, that is it. That is it. I mean, girl, I cannot wait because it's about to be really simple to do this. Very beginner friendly. So yeah, girl, let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, sis, so I'm just getting everything situated so that I can put the unit on. My hair is in a simple ponytail, and again, I'm just putting the unit on and straightening it out, getting it to my liking. And then after I get the unit to my liking, I'm gonna comb her out and whatnot, and then I'm gonna begin to start styling it. sis, so here is what we are looking like in honey. We are looking very grown woman, very mature, like sis. And just like I thought, this unit only took me all of 10 minutes to put on, so it was by far one of the most easiest and quickest installs that I have ever done. So yeah, girl, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. So that was the back, sis. Let me go ahead and pull up these details. So again, this is from LuvmeHair.com. It says that this is their silk base top bob wig with bangs. The length is 10 inches. The density is 200. The hair color is natural black and it can be dyed. And the circumference of the unit is 22.5 inches. So sis, let's go ahead and get into these details. So big head friendly, I want to say it's in between. It does fit snug on my head. My head is 24 inches and the wig is 22.5. So it does fit a little snug on my head. However, I'm not mad that it does, just because it gives me that feel of security that if the wind blows, it's still going to be on my head and it's not just going to fly away. So I wouldn't want it to be too big. I did utilize the elastic band. I didn't use the combs. I never do, just because I have a wig cap underneath, and as well the combs tend to hurt my scalp. But yeah, girl, I feel like you do need the snugness just to feel secure, because you don't have the lace to lay it down or anything like that. So yeah, the texture is just really silky smooth. You can run your fingers straight through it. You don't receive any tangling, you don't receive any shedding, and with shorter units they're a lot easier to maintain. I feel like you don't really get a lot of shedding and stuff with shorter units. Also, Luvme Hair's quality is always A1. Look at the movement, look at the body, the volume. Like, girl, you can shake. Girl, the wig, the hair is just real A1, just quality hair at its finest. The cut of this unit is just really bomb, sis. Get into this cut. I actually thought I was gonna have to trim the hair just a little bit, and as well as trim the bangs. I feel like with bang units, you kind of get scared because you don't know if it's gonna be too short or too long. I'd rather it be too long than too short, but you kind of get scared. And I feel like with this unit, I feel like the bangs hit perfectly. They're just the perfect amount of density. They're not too thin. Like, I think it looks really good, sis. And if they're too thick for you, you can always thin them out with some thinning with a thinning comb, which I actually have. But yeah, girl, you can actually thin it out, but I think they're perfect. They hit perfect. If it is too long, you can always just move the wig cap back a little bit, and I feel like if you do move it back a little bit, I feel like the wig will still be secure in your head, just because it is a little tighter or whatever. But girl, overall the unit is just really bomb. The cut is really bomb. Everything is just really cute, sis. So yeah, I'll have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.